Hello, device manufacturers. Are you developing a new product and look forward to enter new markets? Are you facing difficulties with compliance at any stage of your product lifecycle? Say no more. Introducing Freyr, your trusted regulatory partner. We specialize in tailored regulatory support from concept to post-market surveillance and beyond. Let's delve into our comprehensive lifecycle support. At the concept stage, Freyr conducts initial risk analysis, offers product-specific market insights through thorough market research, provides staff augmentation, and crafts a draft regulatory strategy tailored to your product. We also explore potential markets and routes for market entry. During the planning phase, Freyr assists in design file and risk analysis, implements QMS ISO 13485 and MDSAP standards, conducts QMS ISO 13485 pre-assessment, refines regulatory strategy, and leverages Freyr Impact, our regulatory intelligence platform. In the design phase, Freyr ensures design verification and validation, manages risk through meticulous risk management practices, drafts technical documentation, and navigates regulatory requirements with precision using Freyr RDMS tool. Moving to validation, Freyr facilitates process and clinical validation, oversees final labeling and artwork compliance, handles regulatory submissions including EU CE marking and UKCA marking, and secures global market access certifications. We also provide support for notified body or approved body audits. When it's time to launch, Freyr offers in-country representation, expedites regulatory approvals, facilitates market access, and assists with artwork updates and customization. Even after launch, Freyr remains your steadfast partner, offering post-market surveillance, PMS, post-market clinical follow-up, PMCF, annual maintenance of technical files including clinical evaluation reports, CER, and risk management updates, handling regulatory renewals, guiding new market launches, and managing communications with competent authorities, notified bodies, and approved bodies. While you enhance patient care, let us handle your regulatory burden. With more than 380 happy clients and over 1,000 projects delivered, our commitment to success is beyond regulatory compliance. Know how Freyr supported an IVD manufacturer in IVDD to IVDR transition.